Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy with Lockhart Kicks, bringing you nothing but exclusive kicks. Today, I'm going to be giving you some important information that you need before buying or taking a look at buying this latest pair of Jordans. This is the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 2.0. Stick around, check it out. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy with Lockhart Kicks. Once again, I'm bringing you nothing but exclusive kicks. Today, we're taking a look at the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 2.0 sneaker. That's a mouthful, but this sneaker is definitely something that is very exciting, and it's definitely something that's been a long time in the coming. First off, when I was taking a look at this sneaker, first impression was this is going to be a sneaker that appeals to multiple audiences. So I could definitely see, you know, if you have an uncle who's a deacon at a church, at a black church, something like that, I could definitely see, you know, them stopping you. You know, the type of uncle who coordinates everything. They're going to stop you and as they're checking out the ostrich leather and, you know, the snake skin on the sneaker. And once you tell them it's the price, they'll probably say it's too rich for their blood. But that's definitely the vibe that this sneaker is giving off, that it's going to appeal to a few old school cats. But let's see, let's pull the sneaker up. Let's take a look at it right here. All right. So this sneaker, as I said, it's been a long time in the coming. It's a sneaker that has been delayed because of the coronavirus. So hopefully, they say it's going to have June's launch time. So hopefully we see the sneaker in June. Now, when taking a look at it, just looking at a little bit deeper, this sneaker contains amalgamates of, and actually let's break that word down. That's a TI expeditiously word. So amalgamates is to combine or to unite. So this combines and unites multiple different textures from different types of animals. So looking at the sneaker, you have crocodile skin, you have ostrich leather, you have snake skin, and then you have an elephant print on the heel. So you have all these different things happening, you know, all these things going on with the shoe. You have different colors going on with the shoe. The vibes that gave me was back from, you know, the mid 90s. So anybody watching Martin from back in the day, you know, there's a lot of cross colors in that. If you're not familiar with that brand, take a look it up. It's a pretty cool brand from back in the day. But it's definitely giving me those vibes with just the different types of colors. So this is definitely a funky shoe. Not funky in a bad way, but funky in the James Brown type of way. It's definitely cool. Now, Lockhart Kicks, I also run Lockhart Designs, so I'm a designer. So I designed this t-shirt, bring that up. So I designed this t-shirt basically from the inspiration that this shoe gave me, taking a look at the different textures, taking a look at the different colors. I just wanted to provide you guys with something to rock along with the sneaker. That would, you know, turn heads almost as much as the sneakers do. So tell me what you think about the design. Also, let me know in the comments, is this a sneaker that you're taking a look at? Is this something that you're holding out for? The price, it's going to be, you know, if it's dropped in July, the price is said to be around $225. So is that, to me, I think that's not too steep of a price, just because of the exclusivity of this sneaker, as well as the different materials that are used. But what do you guys think about it? Note that in the comments, let me know. Also in the comments, let me know what your thoughts are. Once again, Lockhart Designs, what I'm doing here is just providing you more information, more looks at the sneakers before you buy them, just so you could have an informed choice and, you know, make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the site, so that way you can keep up to date with the latest sneakers that are going to be coming down the pipeline. Once again, let me know if you have any questions, but this is Lockhart Kicks. Peace.